Another great feature we've added is Smart Actions.
Yeah, that's right. So with Smart Actions, we can turn PicoScope into a semi-automated test function. So, quick example. I've got the waveform here, the data and the clock waveform that we were looking at in the previous example. Let's set up a measurement, and we'll make that measurement
Peak to peak.
peak to peak.
Peak to peak.
So we're now measuring the peak to peak. You can see, same as before, you can see that the measurement indicators are showing where they're making their decision about where the peak is of that waveform on channel B. And if I go into the settings, I can now take an action on failure. So I'll set the limit. So the upper limit I'll set to 5.5 volts, say. And I'll say that an action on failure, if that measurement exceeds 5.5 volts, which we can see down here that it is sometimes, it's nearer to 6 volts on occasion. But the action on failure can be for that specific measurement. If it fails, I can add an action, and the action can be to stop the capture, to restart the capture, to save that capture as a PS data file to the disk, to play a sound, to trigger the signal generator, to run an external application, or to export the serial decoding data file associated with that. So there are a lot of actions that you can do specifically on the failure of one particular measurement. Not any measurement that you've got set up in general, but a specific measurement can trigger a specific action.
So PicoScope 7 is now available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux users as a free update. And you can download it from our website to take advantage of all these new features. So go to the website below and we'll see you there.